Hello again, teachers. In this EduTech video tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to reuse an old Zoom link that may have expired, or you would have used it in the past and would like to reuse the same link. So let's sign into our account, proceed to the address bar, Zoom sign in. Now we select sign in with Google. Select the account. And here is a list of all the meetings that I have so far that are recurring. Notice that those that are recurring for August are already posted and they're a start. So when I'm ready to host this meeting, I just need to click on Start. Here's another one. These are very far away. They're still in the month of September. So as it gets closer, when we start September, then the Start tab will come up. Now, I want to use an old meeting link that I had for a class. So I'm going to select Previous Meetings. Now, these are all past meetings. And let's see, page 2. Notice that for this one, where it says Professional Development for Teachers on August 10th at 2 p.m., I can still click Start and use that same meeting link. Okay, so that was most likely saved as a recurring meeting. Here is another one, and Dr. Thomas's. Now these that don't show Start tab, let's click on the name of the meeting itself. And see if it allows us to edit this meeting, and let's see, only this meeting. And in editing now, let's change the date. We want the meeting to occur let's say the 25th, right, at 9 a.m. Your time is Puerto Rico, passcode, and then you click Save. And there you have it. You can start this meeting again. So if you have an old class and the code is expired, just select the title. Let's try another one. I'm going to go to My Meetings and Previous Meetings. And this is one I have for 5A3, a class I had today. So if you notice on the side, it is ended and there's no Start button here. If I want to use this same link, I will click on that. The link remains the same. All I need to do now is edit meeting, only this meeting, and now I change the date. Let's say tomorrow, and scroll on down, select Save, and there you go. You just need to hit Start and the meeting will start again. Students will use the same link that was posted and they will previously posted, and they will be able to access the meeting. All right. Hope it's clear. And if you have any other questions, just feel free to